Fast and efficient. Understanding, fire off an email. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very popular phrase in the English language, especially in the world of business and casual communication: fire off an email. It's a phrase that you might come across in movies, in the office, or even in your day-to-day conversations. So, if you've ever wondered what it really means to fire off an email, you're in the right place. The phrase, fire off an email, is an informal way of saying to send an email quickly and with a sense of urgency. The word, fire, in this context does not relate to actual fire but is used to convey speed and promptness, much like the action of firing a gun. So when someone says they're going to fire off an email, it means they are going to compose and send the email rapidly, without much delay. You might use the phrase, fire off an email, in a variety of scenarios. Here are a few. 1. In a professional setting, when you need to send an urgent update or response to your team or a client, you might say, "Let me fire off an email to everyone to inform them about the changes." 2. In personal communication, if you're in a hurry but need to send information or a message to a friend, you might say, "I'll quickly fire off an email to you with all the details." It's worth noting that fire off an email carries a connotation of not only speed but sometimes a lack of thorough contemplation. It implies the email is sent quickly, possibly without extensive editing or overthinking. While fire off an email is a commonly used phrase, it's important to understand its nuances to use it appropriately. Connotation of speed. The phrase inherently implies quick action. It's not typically used for emails that require a lot of careful thought or detailed composition. Tone and context matter. Although it's a casual phrase, be mindful of the tone and context in which you use it. In very formal or serious situations, it might be better to use a more formal phrase like, send an email promptly, or dispatch an email. Fire off an email is a versatile phrase that reflects the fast-paced nature of our communication in the digital age. It's a handy expression for conveying urgency and swiftness in sending emails, whether in a professional or personal context. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase effectively in your daily communication. Happy emailing, and see you in our next video.